Hey y'all, I'm back. I know I look a mess, but you know, cheers. So, a haul, like a serious one. Okay, I have a serious haul from Black Radiance. And I have cream eyeliner here, which I haven't used in ages. I want to say I haven't used cream eyeliner. I use it for my eyebrows actually. I haven't used it in forever. Okay, it's not like a usual gold or tan highlighter. It's more like a mauve. And then do you see this right here? What does that look like to you? It look like sis in a hair wrap, don't it? It really does. And I just noticed that I didn't know that it looks like that when I ordered it, but I'm here for it. Let's see here. I have another red lip. I love a red lip. I have a red lip from everybody. Ooh. From Matt Beauty Bakery. Just everybody. Okay. So I have Eye Appeal Lash Sculptor Mascara. So let's open this up and look at the brush. Black Radiance coming through with all the surprises because again, I didn't know that the top looked like that when I bought it. But do you see that? That's so you can get all up in there, right there, and the corners and everything. Oh, but I read somewhere that you're not supposed to do this because you put air inside the container, so we're not going to do that. Eye Appeal Brow Definer. Now, I saw a video for this online, and it looks like it was going to give me some bomb eyebrows, so let's open this up and see what the applicator looks like. And I got this in deep brown. Blackish brown, I'm sorry. See that little brush there? So you can kind of like get up in there and do the little strokey strokes. See that? So we're gonna hope that this comes out great. This is my favorite powder ever. So after I bake my face, I use this powder to dust it off, to dust off the setting powder, and it's like the best finish ever, like ever. Oh my gosh, it's called Soft Focus Finishing Powder, and it's in the color Creamy Bronze Finish. I love it. Get you all some foundations before. Ooh, here we go. I've never used them, so we're gonna try them. And I got them in similar colors just so I can like add a little bit too if I need to, maybe take some away. And now we have two more. So we have Mocha Honey, we have Praline, and they all look so similar. We have, oh, did I get two pralines? Hold on, or did they just send me two pralines? And I have a bisque. I don't remember ordering two pralines. That would have been defeating the purpose. But I'll show you guys how I apply my foundation and why I get colors that are similar. Okay, so then I have this cute little lip topper. It's in black because I bought a black lipstick that I've never tried before, and I felt like just black by itself would have been like a little too goth. So I decided to get a little shimmer. You see that? See a little shimmer in it? And then they gave me this for free. Buttermelt Skincare Travel Set. So I had to scrub it off, dual action exfoliator, pour it on botanical beauty oil, overnight butter bead moisturizer, and daily butter bead moisturizer. That's really cute.
top, chrome pipes, blue lights out of sight. Long weed, so in, say it again, so in. Make that money, throw it in. Booty bouncing, gon' head. Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, Blue Medina, always beaming. Rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights out of sight. Long weed, so in, say it again, so in. Make that money, throw it in. Booty bouncing, gon' head. Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, Blue Medina, always beaming. Rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights out of sight. Long weed, so in, say it again, so in. Make that money, throw it in. Booty bouncing, gon' head. Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, Blue Medina, always beaming. Rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights out of sight. Long weed, so in, say it again, so in. Make that money, throw it in. Booty bouncing, gon' head. Rolls-Royce, Lamborghini, Blue Medina, always beaming. Rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights out of sight. Long weed, so in, say it again, so in. Make that money, throw it in. Booty bouncing, gon' head.
bouncing, gon' head. Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, Blue Medina, always beaming. Rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights out of sight. Long weed, sold in, say it again, sold in. Make that money, throw it in. Booty bouncing, gon' head. Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, Blue Medina, always beaming. Rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights out of sight. Long weed, sold in, say it again, sold in. Make that money, throw it in. Booty bouncing, gon' head. Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, Blue Medina, always beaming. Rag top, chrome pipes.